Hello everyone, and welcome to an introduction of the first trend of 2019 Dreaming Colour with me, Owain, and Paula Pascual next to me. So we're going to go through that and tell you exactly what this first trend of the year is all about.
Dreamy color is vibrant pastels, is iridescent hues into the glitter sequins, as well as you will be able to get the crystal drops both in pearlescent finish, gloss finish, the jewel tones, as well as the glitter drops. Also, you will have brand new embellishment mousses. You will have beautiful aqua flows that coordinate and give you that beautiful palette of those beautiful pinks and peach colors, and also that sort of teal or soft turquoise color. It mixes beautifully, and you can create a lot of different techniques and cards and projects.
That's this will be the first trend of the year. So if you enjoyed previous trends like Ocean Air, for example, it's a range of Nuvo products in these shades, these wonderful complementing shades, which are going to be available now throughout the USA. So lots to look forward to, and for all tutorials and demos to go along with this first trend, visit the Tonic website.
Thank you for watching. For more videos using Nuvo and Tonic Studios products, be sure to like and subscribe.